The small shop on the corner was quiet that morning. Emma opened the door slowly and looked around. She had been walking all morning, searching for the perfect dress. Her wedding day was coming soon. Just 2 weeks left. Her heart was full of excitement and a little fear. She wanted to look beautiful, not for everyone, but for her future husband, Daniel. They had been together for 4 years. They met at the library when she dropped her books. He helped her pick them up and smiled kindly. From that day, everything changed. Now she was choosing the dress for their new life together. The shop smelled of flowers and fresh fabric. Dozens of white dresses hung neatly on the wall. Some had lace and pearls. Others were simple and elegant. Emma's eyes stopped on one dress in the corner. It was simple but beautiful. It didn't shine or sparkle, but it had something special, something pure. She touched the fabric softly. It felt like a whisper, light and gentle. "This one feels right," she said quietly. The shop owner, Mrs. Grace, came closer. She smiled kindly. "That dress has a story," she said. Emma looked surprised. "A story?" she asked. Mrs. Grace nodded slowly. "It was made by a young woman named Lily, 10 years ago. She made it for her own wedding. But her fiancé had to travel for work. He never came back." Emma felt her heart tighten. She imagined the young woman waiting, day after day. The dress had waited too, untouched, unseen, for years. Emma took a deep breath. "I'll wear it," she said softly. Mrs. Grace looked at her with warm eyes. "Then its story will continue," she whispered. 2 weeks later, the wedding day arrived. The morning was sunny and bright. Emma stood in front of the mirror wearing the dress. Her mother stood behind her, holding back tears. "You look like an angel," her mother said. Emma smiled, but her eyes were full of emotion. In that moment, she felt something, like a soft presence beside her. It was as if Lily was there, smiling too. When Emma walked down the aisle, sunlight filled the church. Daniel looked at her with tears in his eyes. "You are perfect," he whispered. At that moment, the dress seemed to shine softly. It was more than just a dress. It was a memory, a promise, and a new beginning. And as Emma said, "I do," it felt like two hearts, one from the past, one from the present, had finally found peace together.